What if you could still buy real classic cars for under $5,000? From big American cruisers to rare European finds and unfinished project cars, here are 20 classic vehicles that are still surprisingly affordable today. Number 1. 1975 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe, $5,000. Starting the list is a 1975 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe located in Montgomery, Alabama. This large front-wheel drive luxury car reportedly has around 50,000 miles and is powered by Cadillac's massive 500 cubic inch V8 paired with a 3-speed turbo hydromatic automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and drives very well and recently received a fresh oil change and tune-up. The interior is finished in green leather and features a front bench seat with a folding center armrest, along with power door locks and a 6-way power adjustable seat. The seller also states that the car remains largely original overall. With classic 70s luxury styling and a price of $5,000, it appears to be a complete cruiser that could be driven and enjoyed right away. Number 2. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Classic, $4,800. Next is a 1978 Chevrolet Malibu 2-door located in Fogelsville, Pennsylvania. This G-body coupe has been modified with a 350 V8 engine reportedly sourced from a 1990s Chevrolet pickup. The seller says the transmission shifts firmly and the car drives straight and stops well. Several updates have already been done, including a new battery, Holley carburetor, fresh fluids, new tires, and classic Krager SSR wheels. The engine is also said to have a mild performance cam. However, the car is still considered a working project. Issues noted by the seller include missing seatbelts, a possible vacuum leak causing rough cold starts, rust on the inner door bottoms, and an inoperative driver's seat motor. At $4,800, it looks like a usable project G-body that already has a V8 swap and could be improved over time. Number 3. 1975 Ford Maverick, $4,000. Here we have a 1975 Ford Maverick 2-door located in Westland, Michigan. This compact classic is powered by a 200 cubic inch inline-6 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission and features manual steering and brakes. The seller reports around 91,000 miles and says the car runs, drives, and stops very well. A number of recent mechanical updates have been completed, including new brakes, a new master cylinder, rebuilt rear brake components, and brand new tires mounted on centerline wheels. The heater also works, which is a nice bonus for a car of this age. The main issue mentioned is a faulty turn signal switch that affects the brake lights. The body has some older repair work with filler in the rear quarters and door area, but is said to be mostly rust-free with solid floors. Number 4. 1948 Nash Ambassador Super, $4,500. Next is a unique project car, a 1948 Nash Ambassador Super 4-door sedan located in Bristol, Indiana. The listing appears under Chevrolet because the marketplace does not include Nash as a selectable brand. The seller recently acquired the vehicle through a trade and notes that it seems to be mostly complete with its inline engine still installed. The car does have rust in the floor pans and the interior will require restoration work, although many components are still present. The vehicle currently rolls for loading and transport, but is clearly being sold as a restoration project. Nash cars from this era have a very distinctive streamlined design that stands apart from other late 1948 American vehicles. At $4,500, it could be an interesting project for someone interested in restoring a rare and unusual classic. Number 5. 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS, $5,000. This listing features a 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The car reportedly has around 63,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the vehicle does run but requires significant restoration work. The floor will need to be replaced and the car is being sold without a title. Despite those issues, the car is still running and appears to be offered primarily as a project for someone willing to tackle structural repairs. The Impala SS models from the mid-1960s remain highly recognizable classic Chevrolets, which may make this example appealing to experienced restorers looking for a long-term build. 6. 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, $4,800. Next is a 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe located in Poolesville, Maryland. The listing mentions a clean Maryland title and describes the car as a roller with a 350 engine setup. The exterior is finished in yellow with a tan interior. While the seller notes that more photos will be provided later, the description suggests the car may currently be a project rather than a fully running vehicle. Early 70s Corvettes remain popular among collectors and builders due to their classic C3 styling. With an asking price of $4,800, this example appears to be priced as a project platform for someone interested in restoring or rebuilding a vintage Corvette. Seven. 1957 Mercedes-Benz 220S Ponton, $5,000. Moving to a European classic, this listing features a 1957 Mercedes-Benz 220S Ponton located in Cleveland, Georgia. The car reportedly shows around 67,000 miles and was recently rescued from a garage where it had been sitting for many years. According to the seller, after installing a battery, the engine started right up and runs well without smoke. The car will need the brake system serviced, but the sale includes new wheel cylinders, brake shoes, and brake hoses. The tires are also new. The seller describes the body as very solid, with no major rust in the floors or rocker panels, and the doors close properly. With its distinctive 1950s Mercedes styling and a price of $5,000, it appears to be a promising candidate for a straightforward restoration. Eight. 1973 Plymouth Satellite Sebring, $4,500. Next is a 1973 Plymouth Satellite Sebring located in Des Moines, Iowa. This car is powered by a 318 V8 engine with an automatic transmission, and the seller states that it runs, drives, and stops properly. A large amount of recent mechanical work has already been completed, including a new timing chain, water pump, radiator hoses, ignition components, belts, and a cooling system flush. The drivetrain has also been updated with a Yukon limited slip differential and 3.07 gears. Suspension and braking components have been refreshed as well, and the car now rides on new tires. The floors have already been replaced with new pans and sound-deadening material installed. The body still has rust in areas such as the trunk, rockers, and quarter panels, but mechanically the car appears to have received extensive maintenance. Nine. 1967 AMC Rambler American, $4,500. This listing features a 1967 AMC Rambler American located in Thomaston, Georgia. The car reportedly shows around 139,000 miles and is powered by a 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives very well and even includes air conditioning. The exterior and interior are both finished in brown, giving it a classic period-correct look. AMC vehicles from the 1960s are less common than many other American brands, which can make them interesting choices for collectors who enjoy something a little different. With an asking price around $4,500, this Rambler appears to be positioned as a usable vintage driver. Ten. 1971 Cadillac Fleetwood Sedan, $5,000. Closing out Part 1 is a 1971 Cadillac Fleetwood four-door sedan located in Easton, Pennsylvania. The seller states that the car last ran and drove around 3 to 5 years ago before being parked in storage. Since then, it has mostly been sitting, but it is described as having solid bones and the potential to become a nice cruiser again with some attention. The seller obtained a clean title through storage fees and encourages interested buyers to come inspect the vehicle in person. Large luxury sedans like the Fleetwood are known for their comfort and presence on the road. At $5,000, this example appears to be offered as a revival project for someone willing to bring it back to life. 11. 1978 MG Midget Convertible, $4,995. Starting the second half is a 1978 MG Midget Convertible located in Hatfield, Pennsylvania. This small British roadster reportedly shows about 55,000 miles and is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission. According to the dealer listing, the car starts, runs, and drives without any issues and is ready to go. The vehicle recently received several updates, including new tires, newly upholstered seats, and new carpeting. The seller also states that everything on the car works properly and that it currently holds a valid Pennsylvania antique vehicle inspection until August 2026. The body is described as rust-free and the title is clean. With its compact size, classic roadster styling, and manual transmission, this MG could be an affordable entry into vintage British sports cars for under $5,000. (12) 1973 Oldsmobile Toronado, located in Berwyn, Illinois. This large personal luxury coupe is powered by the well-known 455 cubic inch V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. The seller claims the car runs extremely well and provides a smooth ride, stating that it could comfortably handle long highway drives. Several components have been updated, including a new alternator, upgraded spark plugs and wires, and an aftermarket Flowmaster exhaust system. Many of the electrical features are said to work, including power windows, power locks, the heater, and the air conditioning system. The car does have some typical rust for a vehicle of this age, but overall the seller describes it as a very reliable and enjoyable car. At $2,500 with a clean title, it appears to be one of the more affordable running classic cars in this list. (13) 1967 Ford Galaxy 500, located in Lewisburg, Tennessee. The seller describes the car as an all-original vehicle with approximately 60,000 miles and an automatic transmission. While the listing itself is fairly brief, the Galaxy models from the late 1960s were known for their large size and comfortable ride, making them popular full-size American sedans of the era. The exterior is finished in green with a black interior. Because the seller provides limited details about the car's current mechanical condition, it may require inspection to determine what work might be needed. With an asking price of only $2,000 or best offer, it could represent a relatively inexpensive starting point for someone interested in restoring or reviving a classic full-size Ford. (14) 1976 Chrysler Cordoba, located in Douglasville, Georgia. This mid-70s personal luxury coupe reportedly has around 71,500 miles and is powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well, and the body is in good condition overall. The exterior is finished in black while the interior is red, creating a strong classic color combination that fits the style of the era. The seller suggests that the vehicle would make an excellent candidate for restoration, although it appears usable in its current condition. The Chrysler Cordoba was one of the brand's most recognizable models during the 1970s, and this example is offered at $5,000. (15) 1968 Oldsmobile 88 sedan, $4,500. This listing features a 1968 Oldsmobile 88 4-door sedan located in Waterloo, Iowa. The car reportedly has about 50,000 miles and is equipped with Oldsmobile's well-known 455 Rocket V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The seller notes that the car has been sitting for approximately 10 years, although they have been slowly working on it over time. Because of that, the vehicle may require additional mechanical work before being returned to regular driving condition. The exterior is finished in white with a green interior, and the seller states that the title is clean. At $4,500, this Oldsmobile appears to be a large classic sedan that could potentially be revived with the right amount of mechanical attention. 16. 1968 Mercedes-Benz 230S, $3,500. Next is a 1968 Mercedes-Benz 230S located in Roselle, Illinois. This classic four-door German sedan reportedly shows just over 4,700 miles on the listing, although the exact mileage status may need verification. The seller states that the car has been sitting for a while but still runs and drives to some extent. Because of the time spent in storage, it will likely require mechanical attention before returning to regular road use. The exterior is finished in an off-white color with a brown interior, which is a traditional color combination for Mercedes vehicles of this era. The seller also mentions having a flatbed available for delivery if purchased at the asking price. At $3,500, this car appears to be offered as a restoration or revival project. (17) 1976 Chevrolet C10 pickup, $1,750. Here we have a 1976 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck located in Trinity, Alabama. The listing describes the truck primarily as a project or potential parts vehicle. According to the seller, the truck still has a good step-side bed, which is often one of the more desirable body styles for classic Chevrolet pickups. The exterior and interior are both finished in red. While the mechanical condition is not described in detail, the seller suggests the truck could serve either as a restoration candidate or as a donor vehicle for parts. With an asking price of $1,750, it is one of the least expensive vehicles in this group and could be attractive for someone searching for an affordable classic truck project. (18) 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $2,500. Next is a 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo located in Bucyrus, Ohio. This car is being offered as a complete project vehicle that has not been started recently and will need to be transported by trailer. According to the seller, the car still includes a 350 engine and transmission and sits on a good frame. The interior seats are described as being in poor condition, although other interior panels and the dashboard appear to be in better shape. Because the car has not been started or driven recently, the mechanical condition is currently unknown. The seller notes that it is a complete car with a clean title and may also consider trades for other project vehicles. With an asking price of $2,500, it could be an interesting starting point for someone looking to rebuild a classic early 70s Monte Carlo. (19) 1963 Ford F100 pickup, $4,000. This listing features a 1963 Ford F100 pickup located in Rainsville, Alabama. The truck is powered by an inline-six engine, and the seller states that it currently runs and drives well. However, the vehicle does need some additional work before being fully road-ready. One specific issue mentioned is a leaking front left brake cylinder that will need repair. The seller notes that the truck was driven home successfully and performs well overall. Like many classic trucks of this era, the body and interior could benefit from some restoration work. With an asking price of $4,000, this F100 appears to be a usable classic truck that still requires a bit of attention. (20) 1951 Rover 75, $1,750. Closing the list is a 1951 Rover 75, located in Lexington, Kentucky. This British classic sedan reportedly shows around 66,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. The car was recently pulled out of a barn where it had been sitting for a long time. According to the seller, it appears to be a complete vehicle and even includes some new old stock parts stored in the back seat. The car features distinctive rear-hinged suicide doors and a traditional green exterior with a tan interior. The seller does not know the current condition of the engine due to the long storage period, so the vehicle is being sold primarily as a restoration or custom project. At $1,750 with a clean title, it represents an inexpensive entry point for someone interested in building a unique vintage project. Which one would you bring back to life? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real classic car finds and budget vintage projects.